160 years, the theory of evolution, first proposed by Charles Darwin, has been at the heart of scientific debate. It suggests that all living beings, including humans, evolved through a long process of gradual changes. But despite being widely accepted, this theory remains exactly what it was when Darwin first introduced it. A theory, not a fact. In this documentary, we embark on a journey to critically analyze human evolution and ask the burning question: where is the evidence of transitional fossils proving that humans evolved from ape-like ancestors? In 1859, Charles Darwin proposed that all species evolve from common ancestors through natural selection. He argued that, given enough time, small genetic variations would accumulate, leading to the emergence of new species. But there was a major flaw in his argument. He admitted that the fossil record did not yet provide proof of gradual changes. Darwin himself wrote, "The number of intermediate varieties must be enormous. Why then is not every geological formation and every stratum full of such intermediate links?" On the Origin of Species, 1859. Even Darwin knew that the fossil evidence was missing. He hoped future discoveries would fill the gaps. But did they? Let's examine the hardest-hitting question. Where are the transitional fossils? Dr. Colin Patterson, senior paleontologist at the British Museum of Natural History, once admitted, "If I knew of any fossil or living species that clearly showed a transition from one species to another, I would have included it in my book. There is no such fossil, and he's not alone." Dr. Stephen Jay Gould, a well-respected evolutionary biologist, acknowledged, "The extreme rarity of transitional forms in the fossil record is the trade secret of paleontology." Natural History, 1977. Instead of gradual changes, the fossil record shows species appearing suddenly, fully formed. No half-ape, half-human fossils exist to bridge the gap between apes and modern humans. One of the most common arguments for human evolution is the claim that we share 98% of our DNA with chimpanzees. But does that prove we evolved from them? Dr. John Sanford, a geneticist at Cornell University, found that genetic mutations cause a decline in complexity, not an increase. There is no genetic evidence proving that humans evolved from ape-like ancestors. Genetic Entropy, 2005. Moreover, humans have unique genes that do not exist in any other species, contradicting the idea that we are simply an advanced ape. According to evolution, humans should have gradually changed from ape-like ancestors over millions of years. But anthropologists have found that modern humans appeared suddenly with complex language abilities, advanced reasoning skills, spiritual awareness. Highly developed cultures, Dr. Michael Denton, molecular biologist, notes, "The appearance of modern humans is not supported by gradual fossil evidence. It is as if a new species appeared suddenly, without transition." Evolution, A Theory in Crisis, 1985. This abrupt arrival does not align with Darwin's theory of slow, gradual evolution. Modern science, despite all its advancements, has not provided a definitive proof of human evolution. But ancient scriptures offer an alternative explanation. The Quran, revealed over 1400 years ago, explicitly states that humans were created separately and did not evolve from animals. Indeed, we created man in the best stature. Quran chapter 95, verse 4. And we created man from sounding clay, from mud molded into shape. Quran chapter 15, verse 26. French scientist Dr. Maurice Bucaille, author of the Bible, the Quran, and science, stated, "There is no definitive proof that one species transforms into another. The fossil evidence does not confirm Darwin's claims." After 160-plus years, no conclusive proof of human evolution has been found. No fossils showing gradual change from apes to humans. No missing links bridging the gaps. No genetic evidence confirming the transformation of one species into another. Living fossils contradict evolutionary assumptions. Yet textbooks continue teaching it as undeniable truth. So, is evolution proven science or just an unverified theory? It's time for you, the audience, to decide. If evolution is constantly at work, why do some species remain unchanged for hundreds of millions of years? Meet the living fossils. Horseshoe crab, 450 million years old, still the same. Nautilus, 500 million years old, no evolution observed. Coelacanth, 400 million years old, thought extinct, found alive, unchanged. Jellyfish, 500 million years old, no major changes. Triops, 300 million years old, identical to ancient fossils. These creatures have survived multiple mass extinctions, yet show zero evolutionary transformation. If evolution is universal, why have these species not evolved at all?